Hello, my dear listener, and welcome again to Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwari Mangi. In this lesson, we are going to look at the phrasal verbs, and here we concentrate on what you need to say to another person to do for you. For example, when you need something passed to you, then you'll tell the other person to njehereria. Njehereria. And when you need something put away for you, then you tell the other person njigíra. Njigíra. And when you have been left behind and now you want to be waited upon, then you say njehereria. Njehereria. When you need to be told something, then you tell the other person njigíra. Njigíra. And when you need something done for you, then you tell the other person njokera. Njokera. When you need more than you have already got, then you tell the other person nyongerera. Nyongerera. When you have done something wrong and you're seeking forgiveness, then you say ndekera. Ndekera. And if you say johera, it means the same. When you need the other person to bring something to you, then you'll tell them ndehera. Ndehera. And when you need to be loaned something, then you will say gobera. Gobera. If you want to be directed somewhere, then you will say njigíra. Njigíra. And promise me also has the same meaning, which is njehera. When you need help to find something, then you'll tell the other person njehera. Njehera. And if it's something you need built for you, then you'll say to the person njikíra. Njikîrû. And when you want the other person to look or check out something for you, then you tell them ndorera. Ndorera. And when you want to be allowed or permitted to do something, then you say njikûrûkíria. Njikûrûkíria. And if it's something that you need put for you, then you will say njikîrîra. Njikîrîra. If it's something that you want the other person to listen to you or for you, then you'll say thikîrîria. Thikîrîria. A request for someone to cook for you, you say ndugíra. Ndugíra. You want something sold to you, then you say njehereria. Njehereria. If you want to be left alone, then you say ndegera. Ndegera. If you want somebody to write to you or for you, then you'll tell them ndekera. Ndekera. If you want something put away from you or for you, then you'll say njehereria. Njehereria. And if you want something held for you, then you'll say nyitira. Nyitira. Something wiped for you, you say hurera. Hurera. And if you need something opened for you, then you tell the other person higurira. Higurira. And if for some reasons you need liquid poured on you, then you tell the other person njitereria. Njitereria. If you need help with us finishing something, then you'll tell the other person ndekeria. Ndekeria. And if this time round you need some help with starting something, then you'll tell the other person, nyambithia, nyambithia. If you want to be covered, then you'll tell the other person, humbîrîra, humbîrîra. If you find yourself in a situation where you need somebody to speak up for you, then you tell them, njehereria, njehereria. If you need somebody to say something on your behalf, then you'll tell them, njogera, njogera. And if you need help with somebody to pull something for you, then you'll tell them, gusêria, gusêria. When you need help, then you simply say, ndeithia, ndeithia. If you happen to have been left behind and now you want somebody to come back for you, then you'll tell them, njokera, njokera. And if you want something revealed to you, then you'll tell the person, nyumbûrîra, nyumbûrîra. When you need somebody to take something up for you, then you tell them, nyambithia, nyambithia. And if this time round you want them to bring it down for you, then you tell them, njikûrûkíria, njikûrûkíria. If you want something taken somewhere for you, then you tell them, ndorera, ndorera. If you wanted to be reminded about something, then you tell them, ndirikania, ndirikania. If you happen to need them to lead you, then you say to them, ndongoria, ndongoria. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson. Thank you for joining me, and please come back again for more as we continue to learn Kikuyu. From me, it's goodbye.